I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man? I just want to know.
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you did fine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pine, like a pool.
That's Penelope. This is the first thing you see. It is the entryway. To the right is the kitchen, and then to the left is the bathroom. In this little area, this was from my barracks room. It was one of the little paintings that I had on the wall there. So I kept it and I just stuck it here. And then I had other things hung around here, but it was just too much, so I took it down. This is where I keep my mail. This is a Tiffany box that I got from as a gift, as one of my birthday gifts. And I have a couple candles. I have candles everywhere. This was from my barracks room as well. And then I have this, which was also from my barracks room. And the things that I keep in here are glasses, my keys, makeup wipes, a bunch of masks. My passport is over here, some gloves, glasses, cases, lip gloss, and it's really the only blue stuff in my house. So I wanted to keep all the colored stuff over here, but I definitely wanted to make sure I had that Tiffany box on display because it was a really good gift. Here I have these two like stencils, I guess you would call them. When I come in, I usually put my purse on these chairs, so that's where that is. And then I have these two bar stools. This is where I eat most of the time, or if I'm not eating on my couch or outside on the balcony. And I got these off of Facebook Marketplace, but they were originally from West Elm. I don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. They were in great condition. This is a laundry room. I put a bunch of her cat stuff in here where the laundry would have been. I just asked my complex could they come take it out, and they said yes. So basically what I keep in here is cleaning supplies, like my big cleaning supplies that's kept in here, and then her cat stuff, her big cat trees in here, all her cat food, all her litter boxes, my vacuum, my portable heater, her, like everything of hers is in here, along with big kitchen cleaning stuff and then excess kitchen cleaning stuff. So like up here I have a bunch of stuff. It's crazy up there. So let's turn around and get into the kitchen. So the next area is my kitchen. And I love my kitchen. What I really adore about my kitchen area is that I don't have white hardware. I really didn't want white hardware in my kitchen. I didn't want it to look like olden time. And I like the brown on black because I knew that I wanted to go in a brown direction. I felt like the brown marble countertop or whatever this is went really cute with my house, so let's talk about it. This little area here, this is kind of like a breakfast nook, and this side of the kitchen is where I prepare food. So I have my cutting board here. I never use this actual cutting board. It's from Amazon. It's glass. I usually put the thin little cutting board sheets on top. I'll show you guys one of those later, or you've probably seen it by this point. Hopefully my cooking video has been edited and gone up. And I just keep like my breakfast essentials here, my quick breakfast essential. So it's oatmeal, cereal, my coconut sugar, my fiber, my teas, and my coffees, and then all of my additives for those. Then I have my little teapot here, which I never use. It's pretty much there for decoration, but it's fully usable. It's from Amazon as well. Then my bowl, that's from Home Goods. My snacks that are in there are from, well, the store, the grocery store. My air fryer is Amazon. And the towel, paper towel rack that did not come with the apartment, that is from Amazon as well. And then because I saw everybody do this, I'm gonna go in the refrigerator. So this is what's kept in the refrigerator, and that's that. There's really nothing crazy in here. Moving to this side of the kitchen, this is the microwave that I bought. The apartment did not come with a microwave, so I got this microwave from Marketplace. And then this is also where I keep Penelope's treats. My dish rack is right next to my sink. Then I have my dish soap, my hand sanitizer. Right up here is where I keep a houseplant. I have a lot of houseplants. And also where I keep my vegetables that don't go, and my fruit sometimes, that don't go into the refrigerator. Then moving to this area, that's me. I have these two mirrors. These are regular like dorm mirrors. I have these back at my room in the barracks, and I just kept them, turned them sideways to try to give them a little bit of a different feel, and I like the way it looks. I opted out of having a dining room table area because it's just me up here and I rarely entertain people. And then I have my grass screen wall, which is my filming background that I got these off Amazon. They came 12 to a pack. They were kind of pricey. And then I haven't finished the wall just yet. I'm waiting on, okay, zoom by. I'm waiting on another panel to come in, but for the most part, this is finished. It covered up the full wall with just the 12, almost. We step back into my filming space. I just have my lights here, my ring light that I'm holding my camera right now, but that tripod, that red and black tripod, is where I keep my camera at when I'm filming. I was actually just filming a reel earlier, so those are the products from that reel. And then I just have a few little decorations over here. I do my nails over here too, so all of my nail stuff is here. And then all of my camera equipment and just random hair stuff that I don't put away after filming gets dumped into here. We're moving on to the living room, which is my favorite thing ever. I love everything about my living room. These are pictures from one of my favorite photo shoots. This is my first published photo shoot, and I just really love these pictures. I love this feel. This is a fake house plant because, you know, your girl was not ready for a big body. He's kind of leaning to the side too. I need to straighten him out. Then you go towards where the couch is. On my side tables, I just have a picture of my niece, a bunch of candles, another house plant. That one is real. And then books. I got these books from Goodwill. They're just random books, other than the book at the bottom, and then the book in the middle. The book in the middle is Their Eyes Were Watching God, which I love to read. It's like one of my favorite books to read for leisure. And then the book at the bottom is my Bible. And then once you get over here, let's start up top. These paintings were actually made from my mom. All of my large big paintings are pretty much DIYs. Backing up to my beautiful chocolate brown couch. It was from OfferUp. I believe it was originally from Rooms to Go. Then on here are just a bunch of knickknacks. This is most of these are perfume boxes. And then I have this little tray, which is from Amazon. The coasters, I love their marble. Let me show. These coasters, they're like really hard. These are from Home Goods. My room spray here is from Home Goods. Cowhide rug, it's faux. It is from Amazon as well. Took me a minute. And then this little thing, it's just fabric from Walmart, the fabric section, or it was either from Walmart or it was from Michael's. But I just bought 2 yards of it. I used to use it as a fake rug in my barracks dorm, and then when I got here, it was just like a perfect little throw. So that was that side of the room. This is the other side of the room. Right here is like Penelope's little sit sections where all her toys are. She has another little scratching post here. These are old pillows that were in my barracks room. I have this faux plant. I want to say it's from Michael's, and then the moss inside, guys, dollar store find. I have some more Goodwill books here. That's a perfect place to go if you are looking for books to fill up a space and you just don't care to read them or not. You just go, you take the little plastic covering off, and there you go, girl. Like, you got you something that looks real luxury. It looks very nice, like a little table book. Down here is just these little boxes that I got from Home Goods, and they house all of the hardware for under the TV, the cable, the Wi-Fi boxes in there. They're my little faces. This one is from Ross, and this one is from Home Goods. And then this has the mixture of fake plants and real plants, and that is a real bamboo plant back there, and then a little candle. And this is the mirror that was in my room, in my barracks room, and I just put it in this little corner because I felt like it fit the space. And then right here is one of the first of my really big mirrors. They're really tall, and these mirrors are steel. They are at Walmart, and they're only 60 bucks. This is my little entertainment section. I always have tripods all around the house because I'm always filming, and so I always have them in front of the windows. But this is my DIY bar cart. So I have like a bunch of different trinkets in here. I knew I wanted like a gold like and green theme to tie in with this. On the top is this little mixer set. I haven't entertained enough company to mix anything around, nor have I felt the need to make myself a margarita. So I've never used this before, but it is from Amazon. This was wine that was gifted to me and Kate from our first brand travel trip. So I kept it for sentimental value. This is a fake plant, and then these are my corkscrews for wines and stuff. I just have a bunch of these. Like, I have a bunch. I always support my black businesses, you know that. And then this little guy, which is just like a flower. It's meant to be a candle holder, but I have more corkscrew wine stoppers in there. At the bottom here, I have my aloe plant that's real. He used to be outside, but he was getting too much sun, so now he's here getting the indirect sunlight right next to the window. And then all these little balls are from Hobby Lobby. All these little like trinkets are from Hobby Lobby too. The plant from Lowe's, it came with the pot. And then I have my Black Girl Magic wine, which I never drink. This one's pretty much here just to like for show. I forgot to mention these. These came from the barracks as well. I don't know if you guys remember, these were hung up like on the side of the wall, and I did these with my mom as well. So this is the bedroom, and I'm obsessed with my bedroom. As you can see, you know, I'm obsessed with being a woman, so there's just women everywhere. In this little corner are my mannequins, my pampas grass, a planter, and then my nightstand and all that stuff. So let's start with the mannequins. They're from Amazon, and then I spray painted them taupe. Taupe was the color of the spray paint. They originally were black. I went through like 2 different colors before I decided on taupe. This lamp is pretty much always on. It's never off. It's a humidifier. I have my Apple Watch charger. It charges my Apple Watch and my phone and my AirPods. And then more books. Another little body vase. Those are real plants. And then a little house plant here. I love my bed. I love the colors. I wanted like a lower bed with a lower headboard. This is a duvet cover that is from Amazon. And then my Bible study book is here because I was reading it. I have to read it for Bible study, of course. I have my little knot pillow here that is from Amazon. And then when you look up, I have my artwork. These are just prints that I got off Etsy, and then I put them in a frame. Over there I have my clothing rack. When you get down here, I have all of my perfumes that I love. On the other side of this is my Megan Thee Stallion plaque. I'm just obsessed with her. This song just really did it for me when it came out. I was the first person to put all my friends on, and my good friends Ray made this for me. My mini size perfumes that I grab when I'm just heading out of the door more candles back there, and it's just a better view of my body vase. I have another mirror here, and this mirror is the same mirror as the one in the living room. It's just gray. Over here, these paintings are ones that me and my mom made, and right here is just all of my affirmations and all of my goals. As soon as you walk to the right is my bathroom. Let's come in. Hi guys. So up here, these are actually picnic baskets from Walmart, and I just pushed back the handles. This side is like hair stuff, deodorant, all the little creams that I put on at night for hyperpigmentation and stuff, and then my clean sponges, all my silk hair ties, and my little sponges for my face. This one on this side is all of my skincare stuff. Whatever skincare routine I'm doing at the time, it pretty much is going to be in here. My face brush, my hand soap is also in here, as well as hand lotion, because you can't have, you know, dry hands. So these are just towels that I got from, I want to say, Macy's. Picture here, this little quote actually goes to a baby room, but I saw it and I was like, oh, a Bible verse in the bathroom, I have to have it. And it's from Hobby Lobby. To this side, this little basket is for my toilet paper. There was a small one, then I have a big one over here that keeps my laundry in it. Right here, of course, toilet, what's on top is some potpourri, a candle, and then I'm really like obsessed with this guy because me and my friends made him. We made him like from wood, from Lowe's. We built it. If you guys would like to see that DIY, just let me know, because I have all the footage from that. I just never edited it. But on here is just some towels. These towels I never use, but sometimes when I have company over, they grab these towels. This picture was just a print that I got from Etsy, and then more candles. This little guy, I don't really know his purpose, but he had a little wicker rope in it, so I got it. And then bathroom spray for, you know, so the bathroom's not stinky. Then we moved to this side of the bathroom. I have this thing hanging right here, and this is mostly where I keep like handy things for my hair. So on this back wall is pampas. That's just not pampas. Why did I say that? That's some eucalyptus. Here it's just my little tray. I got it from Amazon. It came with a ridiculous amount of accessories. The rug, I forgot to mention, is from Home Goods. This little turntable here is from Walmart. So we are gonna go ahead and step on the patio. I have all of my plants here. I just finished sweeping the porch right before I filmed this because I just repotted a plant. And I have all of my different vegetables here. That's some fruit. I have a couple more fruit. This is, you know, my cucumber that I'm super excited about. I have my little chair here that I love. This was another marketplace steal. I got this for 35 bucks, and online they're priced at like $300 something. So you guys, that concludes a tour of my apartment. If you guys have any questions about anything that you guys saw in this video, just ask me down below and I'll be sure to answer. That is basically my full space. I'm obsessed with it. I just love it so much here, and I just love that I was able to just create something that I think is really beautiful. So like I said, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.